Kanpur is a vibrant city teeming with life and energy. Located on the banks of the Ganges River, it is one of the largest cities in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The city is a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and modernity, making it a fascinating place to explore. From its bustling markets to its serene ghats, Kanpur offers a unique blend of experiences that cater to both residents and visitors alike. It stands as a testament to India's rich history, with numerous historical landmarks and ancient monuments that tell the story of its glorious past. The city has been a witness to many significant events in Indian history, from the era of the British Raj to the struggle for independence. Each monument and building has its own story to tell, adding to the rich tapestry of Kanpur's heritage. It's a place where the past and present intertwine seamlessly. The juxtaposition of traditional and modern architecture is evident throughout the city. While ancient temples and colonial-era buildings stand as reminders of the past, contemporary structures and modern amenities reflect the city's progress and development. This blend of old and new creates a unique and dynamic urban landscape. Kanpur is a major industrial hub, known for its leather and textile industries. The city has a long history of industrial activity dating back to the British era, when it was a prominent centre for the production of leather goods and textiles. Today, Kanpur continues to be a key player in India's industrial sector, with numerous factories and manufacturing plants contributing to the city's economy. It is also a centre for culture and education. The city is home to several prestigious educational institutions, including the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Kanpur, which is renowned for its academic excellence. In addition to its educational prowess, Kanpur boasts a vibrant cultural scene, with numerous events, festivals, and performances that celebrate the city's rich cultural heritage. The city has played a pivotal role in shaping India's journey. From its involvement in the Indian independence movement to its contributions to the country's industrial and economic growth, Kanpur has been at the forefront of many significant developments. The city's historical sites and landmarks serve as reminders of its important role in India's history. Kanpur's story is woven into the fabric of India. Its rich history, cultural diversity, and industrial significance make it a city of great importance. The city's traditional festivals and cultural events are a testament to its vibrant and diverse community. Each celebration is a reflection of the city's unique identity and its deep-rooted cultural heritage. From its ancient roots to its modern-day dynamism, the city has witnessed it all. Over the years, Kanpur has evolved and grown, adapting to the changing times while preserving its historical essence. The city's modern developments and infrastructure projects are a testament to its progress and ambition. Yet, amidst this growth, Kanpur remains deeply connected to its past, with its historical sites and traditions continuing to thrive. In the tapestry of India, Kanpur holds a unique and significant place. Its blend of history, culture, and industry makes it a city like no other. As Kanpur continues to grow and evolve, it remains a symbol of India's rich heritage and its promising future. The city's unique landmarks and monuments stand as proud reminders of its storied past and its ongoing journey towards progress and development. Kanpur's history is a blend of ancient legends and colonial influences. Once a prominent city in the ancient kingdom of Kanpur, it later gained prominence during British rule. The British East India Company recognized its strategic location. They established a trading post here in the 18th century. This marked the beginning of Kanpur's transformation into a major industrial center. The city played a crucial role in India's struggle for independence. It was a witness to key historical events. These events shaped the nation's destiny. Kanpur is renowned as the Manchester of India. This is a tribute to its textile industry. The city's industrial prowess extends beyond textiles. Leather goods from Kanpur are famous worldwide. The city's tanneries are a testament to this craftsmanship. From traditional handicrafts to modern manufacturing, Kanpur's industrial landscape is diverse and dynamic. The city continues to be a major contributor to India's economy. It's a hub for trade and commerce. The sacred Ganges River flows through Kanpur. It's a lifeline for the city. Its banks are dotted with ancient ghats. These ghats are steeped in spirituality and history. Bithor Ghat, a revered pilgrimage site, is located on the outskirts of Kanpur. The Ganges is not just a river for the people of Kanpur, it is a sacred entity. It's a source of inspiration and solace. People gather at its banks for religious ceremonies and to find moments of peace amidst the urban bustle. Section 5. Oases of green in the urban landscape. Amidst the bustling city, Kanpur offers tranquil green spaces. The Allen Forest Zoo is a sanctuary for diverse wildlife. Visitors can observe animals from around the world. Moti Jheel, a large lake in the heart of the city, provides a picturesque escape. These green spaces are not just places of recreation, they are the lungs of the city. They offer a respite from the urban chaos. They remind us of the importance of nature. Section 6, Bithur, where history meets nature. Bithur, a town located on the outskirts of Kanpur, is a place of immense historical and religious significance. This quaint town, nestled along the banks of the Ganges River, has a rich tapestry of stories that date back to ancient times. It is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, offering visitors a unique glimpse into India's vibrant history and culture. It is believed to be the birthplace of Lord Rama, one of the most revered deities in Hindu mythology. According to legend, it was here that Lord Rama's sons, Love and Kush, were born and raised. The town is dotted with numerous temples and shrines dedicated to various gods and goddesses, each with its own fascinating story to tell. Bithur attracts pilgrims and tourists alike. Every year, thousands of devotees flock to this sacred town to pay their respects and seek blessings. The Brahmavat Ghat, one of the most prominent ghats in Bithur, is a major pilgrimage site where people come to perform rituals and take a holy dip in the Ganges. They come to experience its serene atmosphere and visit its ancient temples. The town's peaceful ambience provides a perfect setting for meditation and spiritual reflection. The ancient temples, with their intricate carvings and beautiful architecture, are a testament to the town's rich cultural heritage. Bithur is also known for its natural beauty. The lush green landscapes, the tranquil riverbanks, and the scenic views make it a haven for nature lovers. The town's natural charm is further enhanced by the presence of the Ganges River, which flows gracefully through the heart of Bithur. The confluence of the Ganges and Yamuna rivers creates a breathtaking spectacle. This natural wonder is a sight to behold, attracting visitors from far and wide. The meeting of these two mighty rivers is considered highly auspicious and is a major draw for pilgrims and tourists alike. The town's serene environment offers a welcome escape from the urban hustle and bustle. Whether you're looking to explore its historical landmarks, immerse yourself in its spiritual ambience, or simply relax and enjoy the natural beauty, Bithur has something to offer for everyone. It is a place where history meets nature, creating a unique and unforgettable experience for all who visit. Section 7. Kanpur's climate. A tapestry of seasons. Kanpur experiences a humid subtropical climate. Summers are hot and humid, with temperatures soaring high. The monsoon season brings much-needed relief from the heat. The city receives moderate to heavy rainfall. Winters are mild and pleasant. Each season paints a different picture in Kanpur. The changing colors of nature mark the passage of time. The city's climate is a blend of extremes, creating a unique and dynamic environment. Section 8. Nature's bounty, flora and fauna of Kanpur. Despite its industrial character, Kanpur is home to a surprising variety of flora and fauna. The Ganges River supports a rich ecosystem. Various species of fish and aquatic life thrive in its waters. The city's parks and green spaces provide refuge for birds. From the majestic sarus crane to the delicate butterflies, Kanpur's biodiversity is a testament to nature's resilience. The city's residents are becoming increasingly aware of the need to protect this natural heritage. Section 9. The Ganges in the cultural fabric of Kanpur. The Ganges River is deeply intertwined with the cultural and spiritual life of Kanpur. It is a source of inspiration for artists and poets. The river plays a central role in religious rituals and festivals. The annual Ganga Mahotsav celebrates the river's significance. For generations, the people of Kanpur have shared a sacred bond with the Ganges. It is a symbol of purity, life, and eternity. The river's presence enriches the city's cultural tapestry. Section 10. Balancing progress and preservation. As Kanpur continues to grow and develop, it faces the challenge of balancing progress with environmental sustainability. Pollution and water management are major concerns. The city is taking steps to address these issues. Green initiatives, such as river cleanup campaigns and tree plantation drives, are gaining momentum. The citizens of Kanpur are becoming more environmentally conscious. They are working together to create a greener and more sustainable future. Section 11. Kanpur, a city of contrasts and harmony. Kanpur is a city of contrasts. It is a place where the old meets the new, where history and modernity blend seamlessly. Walking through its streets, one can witness the juxtaposition of colonial-era buildings standing proudly next to contemporary skyscrapers. This unique blend gives Kanpur its distinctive character and charm. It is a place where ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations. The city is dotted with temples, mosques and churches, each narrating tales of a rich cultural heritage. Yet amidst these historical landmarks one can find bustling tech parks and modern shopping complexes symbolizing the city's forward-looking spirit. It is a city of industrial might and natural beauty. Kanpur's industrial areas are a testament to its economic strength, housing numerous factories and businesses. However, the city also boasts lush green parks and serene gardens, offering a peaceful retreat from the urban hustle and bustle. This balance between industry and nature is what makes Kanpur truly unique. Kanpur's story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. The people of Kanpur are known for their hard work and determination. Whether it's the bustling markets or the busy industrial zones, the energy and vibrancy of the city's inhabitants are palpable. Their resilience and adaptability have played a crucial role in shaping Kanpur's identity. It shows the harmonious relationship between humanity and nature. The city's numerous parks and gardens are not just places of recreation, but also spaces where people connect with nature. These green spaces are a testament to Kanpur's commitment to preserving its natural beauty while fostering a sense of community among its residents. As Kanpur embraces the future, it carries with it a legacy of history, culture, and a deep connection to the natural world. The city's historical monuments stand as reminders of its glorious past, while its modern infrastructure points towards a promising future. This blend of the old and the new is what makes Kanpur a city of contrasts and harmony. The city's journey is a reflection of India's own path towards progress and sustainability. Kanpur's efforts in adopting sustainable practices and promoting green initiatives are commendable. As the city continues to grow and evolve, it remains rooted in its rich heritage while striving towards a sustainable and prosperous future. This journey of Kanpur is a microcosm of India's broader narrative of growth, resilience and harmony.